It's time to unveil another exclusive feature from kuber.club. Introducing K-Coins. K-Coins are a cashback system available exclusively to kuber.club members. How does it work? If your borrower defaults on their payments, kuber.club rewards you with K-Coins. These are further redeemed at top fashion, lifestyle and travel brands because nothing should hinder your Freedom Wali vibe. Members of kuber.club's Naive, Pro and Smart plans can avail the K-Coins. Let's meet the Pro plan members. For just Rs 499 per year, they receive 100% of their risk amount in the form of K-Coins. Pro Club equals Pro level cashback. Moving on to Smart Club members, at a cost of Rs 365 per year, they secure up to 50% of their risk amount. Smart moves, smart cashback. Now, for our Naive members, at only Rs 249 per year, they receive up to 25% of their risk amount. With your investments backed by K-Coins, kuber.club ensures that the party never stops. So when life prompts you to go to shopping, know there are K-Coins. Drop a like on this video if you vibe with K-Coins. Stay protected with our cashback system.